to all my lost boys.
Good morning, gang! Welcome to another session of Coding with Rohan. Today, we'll learn how to use PRAW, which stands for Python Reddit API Wrapper, to scrape comments from any Reddit thread. First things first, let's head to terminal. Get a new terminal window and put yourself in the correct directory. Notice we'll be using bash commands, and we'd want to put ourselves exactly in the directory that we want to save the scraped comments, which is on my desktop. So let's make a new folder, i.e. directory, and we'll call it Learn to Code with Rohan. Notice that cd in bash is change directory, and so now we're sitting in this file, and we'll use ls, which is empty, to list the contents. Now, let's enter the Python environment. And now we can type Python code directly into our terminal window. What's next? Head to the Information tab and go to the algorithm that's sitting in the GitHub repository. You'll also find a video from us on Luke sentiment analysis. So let's copy and paste this algorithm into your favorite text analysis tool, which in my case is Sublime Text. And then we take a look at the algorithm. So there are three things that we need to customize here. The first is the sub ID, which is how you tell the PRAW which thread on Reddit you want to scrape. The second is the name, purpose of what you're doing, the scraping, which is just for informational purposes for Reddit. And the third is the name of the file, of the CSV file with the scraped comments. Now let's head to Reddit. Here we go on to our movies, and we look for a thread that would be interested in scraping the comments. Remember, these comments are going to go onto a CSV file. What's your favorite film directed by a woman? Enticing. Let's take a look at the comments, just get a feel for it, and then let's head to the sub ID, which remember is how we tell the algorithm which Reddit thread we want to scrape. So let's take this sub ID, copy and paste now, and head back to our text editor with the algorithm in it. Let's insert the sub ID into our algorithm, change the file name, and put this into our terminal. So now we run the algorithm in Python, and we'll just have a little demo. So clearly we are in a Python environment, and now we'll run the algorithm. Of course, if you've not already installed PRAW, please use pip install to install PRAW. So what happens from here? Depending on the length of the submission, the algorithm will take different amounts of time for the script to run. PRAW does one call every 2 seconds. Each call gives 25 results. So that equates to 25 results per second, which is pretty fast if you ask me. Now, the great thing about PRAW is that it complies with Reddit's API rules. You'll never be in the wrong with Reddit. Now let's head to the folder that we created, Learn to Code with Rohan. It's empty still. Now we're looking for that CSV file. Here it is. Let's open it up. Let's use Excel for that. And just take a brief look at the comments. Success. Retroactively, The Matrix, The Babadook, fish tank, the hurt locker. Lost in translation. Thanks gang for your time. See you next time.